Hey, have you ever wondered, are there non-toxic disinfectants? Welcome to the Low Tox Living Series, where we explore ways to create a cleaner and healthier environment for ourselves and our loved ones. I'm your host, vanZ, here to inspire and influence you on your journey towards a low-tox lifestyle. Today, we'll tackle the question on everyone's mind. Are there non-toxic disinfectants? Get ready to discover the secrets of creating a safer and cleaner space. If you're looking for an essential emotions breakthrough coach that can help you improve your health, body, finances, business, and/or relationships, then click the bell to be notified every time I upload a video. Remember, emotions can be toxic. This Low Tox Living Series has answers for you. Stick around until the end to hear how to get my Essential Oils Emotional Reference Guide. Disinfecting our homes is essential, but it doesn't have to come at the cost of our health. Let's dive into the world of non-toxic disinfectants and explore how we can keep our spaces clean and safe without compromising our well-being. Unfortunately, we're not taught, or at least I wasn't when I was a child, that what we use for a surface cleaner is going into us. For example, when you are simply breathing during use, or as you prepare food on counters that have been wiped down with surface cleaners, and when dipping your hands in a pail of water containing surface cleaner, this is wreaking havoc on our microbiome, hormonal systems, immune system, and so much more. The good news is that non-toxic disinfectants do exist. Say goodbye to harsh chemicals and hello to safer approach. Let's explore some options that will keep your surfaces clean and your mind at ease. When it comes to non-toxic cleaning, doTERRA has you covered with their Abode Multi-Purpose Surface Cleaner Concentrate and On Guard Cleaner Concentrate. Let's take a closer look at these remarkable products. Product 1, doTERRA's Abode Multi-Purpose Surface Cleaner Concentrate. doTERRA's Abode Multi-Purpose Surface Cleaner Concentrate is a game changer. This powerful formula is designed to naturally clean and freshen your home. It's free from harsh chemicals and artificial fragrances, making it a safe, effective choice for everyday cleaning needs. Just a little goes a long way in creating a cleaner, healthier space. Product 2, doTERRA's On Guard Cleaner Concentrate, another fantastic option from doTERRA. On Guard Cleaner Concentrate is a powerful cleanser that harnesses the natural power of plant-based ingredients to provide non-toxic, effective ways to clean and protect your home. With the added benefit of proprietary On Guard essential oil blend, you can enjoy the refreshing aroma while knowing your surfaces are truly clean. Now let's dive into the DIY surface cleaner recipe that combines the power of vinegar and On Guard essential oil. This simple yet effective recipe will have your surfaces sparkling clean and smelling amazing. Here's what you'll need. 1 cup of distilled white vinegar, 1 cup of water, and 15 drops of doTERRA's On Guard essential oil. Mix the ingredients in a spray bottle and shake well. Now you have a homemade all-purpose cleaner that's non-toxic, budget-friendly, and effective in disinfecting your surfaces. Spray it onto countertops, appliances, and other surfaces and wipe away dirt and germs with confidence. With the knowledge of non-toxic disinfectants and incredible products like doTERRA's Abode Multi-Purpose Surface Cleaner Concentrate and On Guard Cleaner Concentrate, you can create a clean and safe environment without compromising your health. And if you're feeling adventurous, don't hesitate to try the DIY surface cleaner recipe with vinegar and On Guard essential oil. And if you wonder what products truly work most effectively, go do a culture study comparing synthetic toxic cleaners and compare them to doTERRA's. The truth never lies. It's time to say goodbye to toxic chemicals and hello to a healthier, cleaner home. Thank you for joining us on this enlightening episode of the Low Tox Living Series. Remember, you have the power to make a positive impact on your environment by choosing non-toxic cleaning options. Stay tuned for more tips and insights on our next episode. Until then, embrace the joy of low tox lifestyle. To learn more about these remarkable products, check out and join the movement towards toxin-free living. Visit our Elite Oil Experience Facebook page. Comment below on what you are looking for when it comes to embracing low tox living. Click the bell if you appreciated this content to make sure you get notified when the next video is uploaded. You made it to the end. Download my freebie that can be found via the link in the description field, along with a link to purchase at wholesale price. Please take a moment to like, subscribe, and watch related videos.